Well, out for test ride with the Can-Am. I think it's the second test after some rebuild and some other stuff manufactured on her. She's been sitting almost 3 months in the garage. Here's about 12 to 14 inches of snow. We're sinking. We have a 30-inch silas under. We are rubbing a little bit with the front lights. And new rad, homemade. Still coming a light bar up here. Needs still some modification for this fabrication to install it on the inside. And this pipe a little bit nicer. But it fits snug. My windscreen still fits in here. Really snug in there. Some updates, lights updates, backlights. We have new LEDs, parking brake, blinkers, put a tail light, for the trailer to fit the lights. Yeah, so she's been 3 months sitting in my garage now. We made the frame stiffer, put some steel in her, and much small other modifications to make her run again, years out and years in. Yeah, so let's test her out and rip a little more snow. Let's go, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Subscribe.